In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a GitHub SSH key. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that you have a secure and efficient way to connect with your repositories. Let's get started. First, let's head over to GitHub, open your preferred web browser and type in the URL github.com. Once you're at the GitHub homepage, you'll need to sign in. If you're already a member, you should see the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll be directed to the sign in page. Here, you need to enter your GitHub username or the email address associated with your account. Carefully type in your details to avoid any sign in issues. Once you've got your username or email filled in correctly, move on to the password field and type in your password. After double checking everything, click on the sign in button to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your GitHub dashboard. This is your hub for managing all your projects, repositories and notifications. To proceed with adding an SSH key, you'll need to navigate to your settings. Look for your profile icon, usually situated at the top right, then click on it to find settings in the drop down menu. Click on settings to open up a new page with various options related to your account. In the settings page, you'll find a list of sections on the left hand side. Amongst these, there's an option that says SSH and GPG keys. Click on it and this will take you to the page where you manage your SSH and GPG keys. This area is crucial for setting up secure connections to your repositories using SSH. Now, to add a new SSH key, look for the new SSH key button and click on it. This is your gateway to entering the details of your SSH key, which you've generated locally on your computer. You can find all sorts of guides online if you haven't generated one yet. Once you have your SSH key ready and copied to your clipboard, return to your GitHub SSH keys page. In the field labeled title, you should enter a name that helps you remember where this SSH key is used. It could be your machine's name or any descriptive text. Below that, you'll see a larger field labeled key. Here, paste your copied SSH key. Be sure to paste it correctly, as any mistakes could lead to authentication problems. Finally, once you've titled your key and pasted it correctly, there's one last thing to do. Click on the Add SSH Key button. GitHub will save your new key and you're all set. You should now be able to interact with your GitHub repositories using SSH, which adds an extra layer of security and convenience when pushing or pulling code. And there you have it. You've successfully added an SSH key to your GitHub account. This small but essential setup will make your coding life a whole lot easier. Thanks for watching and happy coding.